Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the LeetCode problem, make the string great, problem number 1544. This is a recent contest problem. So in this problem, given a string S of lower and uppercase English letters, a good string is a string which doesn't have two adjacent characters Si and Si plus 1, where I between the length 0 to length minus 2 of string, and S of I is a lowercase letter and S of I plus 1 is the same letter but in uppercase or vice versa. To make the string good, you can choose two adjacent characters that make the string bad and remove them. You can keep doing this until the string becomes good. Return the string after making it good and the answer is guaranteed to be unique under the given constraint. Notice an empty string is also a good string. So this is the example 1. If we see this, scan this, here we are getting two adjacent character, small e and capital E, so which is satisfying this condition. In that case, we can remove these both characters. Once we remove these both character, after that we have all the lowercase characters left over, so the answer is LeetCode in small case. In second example, we have this A, B. So first we got BV as the small and capital adjacent. We will have to remove them. Once we remove them, then our string will become A, C, C. So here we need to remove A and CC as well. So after that we just getting the empty string, which is also a good string. So we need to return the empty string. And the last is the just a small s. So we have to return this, and the length of the string is very small. So we can solve this using the brute force approach as well. So how we will solve this problem? So this is like straightforward. First we will iterate the string and then compare the two adjacent characters. So let's say for this here we have two characters same. So let's understand over here with the big example. So I have created this custom string. So if I start index I from the 0th index from here, then I will compare I and character at I and I plus 1 if they have. So first of all, if you know the ASCII value of small a is 97 is good and capital A is 65 is good to know. If you don't know, then no worry about, we can use the characters as well to. So if we see the difference between these small case and capital case characters is 32 in every similar pair, like small v to capital V is also 32. So we will make use of this thing. So when we are processing I and I plus 1, we will compare like ith character, like character at I, let's say, let me write it like s dot s of I is equals to s of I plus 1 plus 32, like this character is capital case and this character is small case and another case. So we will do the OR with that, like s of I plus 32, like this first character can be capital and the second character can be small. So s of I plus 1. So if we found this condition, then we need to remove the two character I and I plus 1 from our string and then reprocess our with the same method by reducing the string. So if we process this, we are not getting same, we are not getting same here, we are not getting same, but once we reach here we are getting this small v and capital V. So we need to remove them. How we will remove? So if we have string S, we will just take this left part of the string and the right part from here. So we will use the string substring. So let's implement this code, very simple. So first of all, we will iterate for all the character from I equals to 0, I less than s dot length and minus 1, because we are comparing one extra character, right character. So we are doing this I plus plus. Now we will check if s dot caret I plus 32 is equals to s dot caret I plus 1, or the 32 we can add in the, or this can satisfy this way around like this and plus 32 is here. If it is the case, then we will call make good string method, we will return from here make good string method, and the string will be the left part from before the I. So, that will be s dot substring from 0 to I plus s dot substring from I plus 2, because we need to remove the character I and I plus 1. So, we are calling I plus 2 to the length of the string. So, this is here, we will call return from here, and in the end we just simply return the s, whatever the s. So, let us run the code here. So, it is compiled and we are getting exact correct answer. So, let us submit our solution code here. So, this is the one of the solution. So, if you see we are doing two condition with OR, we can also take the absolute difference as should be equals to 32. So, we can write this code like math dot absolute difference between these ith and I plus characters should be equals to 32. So, if it is, then we just remove this other condition. So, this should also work. So, let us compile the code again, and it is compiling. Let us submit this code. So, it is accepted. So, this is the one approach using the recursion basically. How do we solve this iteratively? So, let us understand in bit detail. So, when we are proceeding one of the character ahead, we are always, let us say we will always look the one character back of the string. So, when we need to do lookup of backside, so we need some kind of data structure so that we can look on the top basically the previous character, and if it is matches the condition we have to pop out and we will skip that character as well as we continue go further away. So, here we will use a well known data structure which is stack. So, when we start empty string like empty stack, we will just add the character P in stack, then Q, then A, then B. So, once we added till V, we got the capital V. So, we will look on the peak, and peak character and the current character is satisfying the condition, we will pop out from the peak and skip this character as well. Then we will move to the small c, capital C. So, we will move to the small c, then again we look on the peak, and peak and C current character is not satisfying, then we will add the small c in our stack. Then for the capital C, this condition is matched, we will pop out this, like that we will continue, and we will left over in the end all the unique characters which is making the good string, and we will construct the string from here. So, let us solve with this approach. Let us reset our code here. So, first of all we will take a stack of characters and let it call stack, initialize with the stack. Then we will iterate through characters C in s dot to char array. This will provide as a characters array. Now, we will check if stack is not empty and math dot absolute of stack dot peak, whatever character on the stack peak minus the current character is 32. If it is the case, we will pop out from the stack dot pop, otherwise we will add the current character in our stack. That is it. Then once after we done with this, we will check and construct if stack dot size is greater than 0, then fetch all the character, append in a string builder. So, let us append the stack dot pop into the string builder and get define the string builder here. Instance object reference of string builder SV is from the initialize new string builder, and after that we just simply return string builder dot reverse. Why do we need to reverse? Because our characters got inserted in the reverse order into the string stack. So, we need to do that and then construct the string from here to string, and that is it. Let us compile the code. So this is also compiling and we are getting the correct answer. Let's submit this code as well. It is accepted. That the time complexity of this solution is just O of n. We are iterating all the character of the string, and here in this case the space complexity is O of n as well, because we are using the stacks. So this is the solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get early notification. Thanks for watching.